Menteri Ketenagan Animal Husbandry and Veterinary uba ALHEC uli itu bagajeng pentrai ban chnai ke artli ki kherdop ban kami ya kimrat ki babam do ki bon poisha ke jela katan klatai hanarang ha ke distrik Riboy bat kawai ha Nidangpur Harilom Garo ya kani uli itu ada yang kejing kendo bagi no ngelam ka hito ki belwan ban ujor halor kejeng bam ki kherdop ban kami ya kimrat ki badai ki man bam do ki bon pen poisha ke jela Habakrani kilat patai kubor ke katwe trek unailar hajar arpusan uba ALHEC uletho bagatanat kalayo ya kejeng mang pisa na ke sorkar pedeng na ke bentaman snai kini artli ki check gate uletho basyan ka na pedeng kini ki check gate on sala no ban play na ke bentaman sedang ya kene kam ha kabaidai bagajing khayi bean ki masi menteri ulapan pa bagi sorkar kasim khya bhai kene kam ha ka bak spai BSF bat ki pulet ke trailang ban kami ginong khayi ki bakhayi bean ban kurup ki merat ki batmu ban shalan bean cha Bangladesh habakran mi ginong elam jong hito kli tho bakajingwan chuki kalong ban kentu ya menteri ban pleno ya kene ke check gate ha kabala ban tekla kam ya kene ke jingtmu ban shalan bean presiden ke hito ba don bok dakar ulong bakahito kalawan bo ekador khas bandawa halor kene ke kam bat ulong ru ba kini ke check gate ki de ban trekam baru arpsau kenta Ulong ru ba kahito kelawan ban bot den biang ya kene kejing dawa namar bahadian beliau kejing ujor ki snong ki ba per ki bajuyat ki kambean kumta halor kene kaseng kamban se banwan ban kentu biang sesien yo menteri ban kini kene kam
GHP Raju atau Kopor Uday Principal Secretary Badai PJ Veterinary gila dawa ban penlong legalize no habaya day bat kaneka mar ban supply support Bangladesh dan ban khai masih support Bangladesh te mentaka sing la wan bu ye kini ka dorkas ka ban bu no ye kini ban penkloy no ban bu ye kini ki entry dan kita ki check it habaya day ye kini ki no ki mar ki ba day ka balang ka masih ka siar kino ba wan nabar kita kan day kan don ka checkpoint ka ban la ban detect arpso 24 into 7 dan arpso kunta hapo stayo but hagani ka jingi yakran nakalian jingi la ong ba kai ka bangila dawa na dug license na mensha kla ya proses put but shen un pleno but ya ka juba in sa panchai no i ka kamha but ko runga kwa ban tha ka korwa ba balai ka senjam ba ka pelong ya ka hito ban pan kan mau biang ya sarkar ban te la kam ya kini ka jingwan ka bayu namar ba hadian bangiyo jingu jor na kinong khaisiar pat kumju lagi long kme long pa jong ki district ka ba khamja ba kan ka kam har number le ka kam bean pan supply ginu ki mar sapo Bangladesh namar ni smokya but ngindala survey ngindala ngam kham jeliu yani ka kam ngilap pa kane ka drop out le ka jing pep school ki khana ka dei kala jur kane ka kam khai anamba kata ka dei ka jing sisa namar khana untra sho ban school namar ula ban yo eksa pat ban yak khayi kata ka masih lene kata ka ser lene kata ka no kumar ka ban khayi spo Bangladesh par hakawi kaliang ru bangi dang ima susu namar ba let's say hagani ka jingdon kan ka national security threat ning ba spo Bangladesh himla bantit namar ba ya mentahi ka jingya dei ka Bangladesh Pakistan kila ban ka la don ka jing jaslar naba apeng kan ka ISI pat kila ru ban thong ni ni jek ndre ko jong ni ke ba phila i hi ka jingwan rung nong Bangladesh shani ban ra di kita kitiar gi ba mensau ka dei ka clear ka bla pun i ba ka dan jing mai ka state ka jongi namar ba la ya treat do masi yo bre tengi indala ni i ngam jeliu ya kan kam ni la so dei ban penterikam na ya kan ka giat wood ban check ya kan ban la ka government ka fiel hapo gini gi banai kumba ila kular yang hapo ka arbanai dan ni sibanai steng nim ban sengi haban sim ingin detek hi bat nim IT no pas ko wiru nakalian ka jong hi la ong ba kanu hi kamar ka ba ki bu stok hang ne dan ki don gitu ki sem ki ba kita ki gaushala la ni gitu ki sem ki ba don hang ne hapo state lada ki supply shabar kalong be illegal kam don ka no ka balong legal te henrai ka ba ki yatri ta hang ne ya kata te ban ong legal ru kamlong clear kamlong china lor nakalian jongki ki ong ba ka dei ka triat pat dei kali pertho pat habe dei bat kini ki kom check kini kitai ki breu ki jongki kim long ki ba active lane kim dan 24/7 ndre ki check tang ha ko por be ki la ndre la ki pha ki ha ko por kan arbije singit indon shu ko balai te nakaling gaseng ni sungkhya namar kajing triet je kini ki mar ki mata shabari kebu pat ye kajing ma ye kejelah ye borok ko bai kaba kila ban pensu ki niki foreigner ni kita ki Bangladesh illegal immigrant kila ban pensawa hangne tak ba shar khai tak daw ngin mi long ki ba penyor ba husiar ni wan ban pen kemau bat pen kloy bat ibu ru taka ultimatum dan ka deadline de ko government la da kamle nin siem bet kat kum kelenti jong ka ai bangin kem bangin bat ngin IT no chiki kumbang keren meneng la ban biang dang shen ka hitu ka yo kem laingot ke bedai ki genuine Bangladeshi par ngila IT ru bat ngila dab hajir ru hakmat jong ka BSF apo ka IB bat ngila lap hiru bat hawa kadai ke jing sisa kumbang ong ip menengan ban biang daba kejat bendri jongi tang ban yo bisa tangkat no kan un barok khot kejat bendri hendri don ki kat tu kan ni ki ba kemen tang kata kesan 1000 kitriet do merat bat nang tai bat kitriet do breu katu ko bubu kejing ma haidor sanspa ani 1000 kat ba kejing im ko jongi bat kabadai de ko kro
met and they have given me the presentation also regarding the HITU organizations regarding the bringing the livestock from outside the states. We are giving a very valid point and also suggestion that whenever we are bringing the livestock for consumption in the state of Meghalaya, we don't have a proper healthcare center from the government of Meghalaya. But I told them, last 2 years we have received sanction to the government of India for the construction of the health check care center of the livestock. So that is the construction is going on. One is at Narang Reboy district. One is in Nidanpur in the Jharkhand district. So that is under the construction, and we are also telling the department time and again to speed it up because they have got complaint from not only from the HITU, so many organizations have given the similar complaint regarding the bringing the unhealthy livestock to the state of Meghalaya for the consumptions of the people of Meghalaya. So for that reasons, there are a very, very valid point and very good suggestion just given by HITU and previously with so many organizations in the past to set up our own health check center or to check the livestock, the health of the livestock. We have already got sanction last 2 years regarding the construction of the health check center. So that is the construction is in fully progress. One is in the Danpur Garavil, one is in the Reboy district in Nara. So that is the full swing is going on, but maybe soon and maybe few days we are going to be implementing either one of this, the project with health page center will be will be implementing soon. So another point that smuggling recently also we have got received a call from the some people, which is the cattle have been held up. It was taken to the court, and the BSF have caught them. They taken to the court, and over the police and the DC is the chairman of the respective district. So they are doing checking from time, and every time they are doing the checking. And there's nothing that they are doing coming like whatever they are free, they are coming whatever they like or going free whatever they like. It is not possible because our BSF people are working. They are also working. Police also working. Even the health, animal husbandry department also. Their department also is working for this issue. There is not. If suppose they have not caught by the BSF, then when the BSF is caught there, means there is a illegal smuggling of cattle. Otherwise, how the BSF will caught them? Because they are doing their job. The BSF doing their job. The police they are doing their job. The department is doing their job.
Sir,
Given a very strict instruction from the beginning. Anybody, we cannot do any livestock smuggling, not only cattle. Any kind of livestock we cannot be allowed to do for any kind of smuggling outside our country. Within our country, we have no problem because we call it's just not a smuggling, it's a trading. Trading is not a problem. Anybody can bring, but it has to be a very good condition, health condition of the livestock. That's all we need.